Hello everyone, and today I'm excited to do another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing the Tay Flipper Balisong. So without any further ado, I'll get started. I already cut the packaging open, but here we go. So far it comes with a very cool little box. And let's see what else we have in here. It came with some candy. And some more candy. So that's pretty great. It's a nice touch. And I specifically asked for these. These are caps for the ends of my crate raking, and I will be putting them on here once we're done unboxing them, just to see how they look. Could be cool with the red, I think, with the black. Kind of like that theme. So here we go. It's a little hard to open with one hand, but it's a nice touch that he's got the bow and everything on here. I don't know, I really like that attention to the little details, you know, to make it a special unboxing experience for everybody. So very cool decal work there, and he hand does all of these decal work too. Like you know, it's pretty impressive. The box is fairly heavy. I was kind of surprised with that because it says a 3D printed Balisong. So, oh wow, there we go. So apparently he 3D prints the case that it comes in as well, which is pretty cool. And because I got the custom one, it also came with the Torx bit and the little Torx bit holder. Let's see if I get this out with one hand. Alright. So there we go. Very nice. Actually, I'm surprised as it's a lot grippier than I thought it was going to be. You know, I was thinking, you know, it's plastic, so. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Got a cool feel to it. The edges aren't really rounded too much on here. I think one side's a little more rounded than the other, but that's perfectly okay. Yeah, you can really see if you look up closely, which my phone is not wanting to do. You can see all the grains and everything in the 3D printing process, which is pretty cool. Come on, phone. Yeah, come on. There it goes a little bit. And it says it's technically a sandwich construction, but they are chemically fused together. If you look here, so you know it's a little it's a lot more like a channel design in general. As you can see, oh, sorry about the dog barking. As you can see, there's Zen pins in there, and it's got a nice flow to it. I'm probably gonna tune it up a little bit, or you know, see, it feels pretty tuned, but just gonna tweak it a little just to make sure. So let's take a look at the Torx bit here. Oh, by the way, if you guys are curious about my tattoo here, a lot of people confuse it with Punisher. It is not Punisher. It is from Magic the Gathering. So Bonus points if you guys know that game. Alright, so let's get this Twitch bit in here. So yeah, it's magnetic, so it just snaps right into place and it holds in pretty well. Oh my gosh, I can't. Yep, there we go. It's really, really grippy. I like it. I like how grippy it is. Feels really solid in my hand, so that's pretty cool. And then, yeah, here's the 3D printed inside of the box here. Very cool. All right, now I did bring out my my crate rake in here, so let's pop these bad boys on here. I'm just gonna set this down for a second to kind of do it like this. So as you can see, I've the crate raking's seen some ground a little bit. So there's some dings in it already, but hopefully having these things in there is going to help that out a bit. I'll put this in the wrong way. There we go. So there's that. Ta-da! A little hard to flip while I'm looking at a screen, but so yeah, I think that looks pretty great. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Yeah, I think it's really, really smooth. It's definitely a little bit light, but you know, I think it's got good weight at the ends, which will hopefully, I think it's going to hold a lot of good momentum. But yeah, I think that's it for my unboxing video today. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will be posting an official review of it after I get some time flipping it. All right, thank you for watching, and have a great 4th of July weekend, everyone.